Yeah, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another Fortune video. It's been a minute. Today is a very special one. It's been a long time coming, but for those of you that don't know, tomorrow is session, which means today is bump in and we have to take all the cars over to the show, get parked up, get our stuff ready, all ready for tomorrow. I'm currently on my way to Project Hiraya. I dropped the car off about 3.5 months ago to get rewrapped. The boys have put in the hard yards, they got the red off. They've prepped the car, they've rewrapped it, it looks unreal. I'm super happy with it. Honestly, I didn't really have any expectations, but for any expectations that I did have, they fucking blew them out the park. It looks so good. But yeah, we're gonna head there now. I'm gonna show you the color. And then a good mate of mine, Denai from the Loto, is gonna get the car on a tow truck and we're gonna take it to Sydney Olympic Park for the show. I'm not risking anything, I'm not risking any defects of the car shitting itself. But yeah, let's go, I'm keen. Alrighty, we just rocked up. All the boys are already gone because they actually have a stand at session. So their bump-in time was earlier than ours, so they've left the car outside for me. But man, oh, it's aired up right now. It looks like a fucking monster truck. But every time I see this thing... And this is it, boys. We've gone with a Millennium Jade PPF. The reason for going PPF is it's much thicker than vinyl. It's also got like healing properties in the sun, so if it scratches it, if anything happens to it, take it out in the sun and it pretty much just like fixes itself. The bonus of PPF as well, if it wants to focus, is the color. It pops much more than what vinyl would. But yeah, these boys killed it, man. We got new tail lights from CT Auto, I think they were, and new headlights from Illumo. Changed the look of the car a little bit, but bro, I am fucking over the moon. I'm so happy with it. Hey, the boys have outdone themselves. I'm keen to get this at the show. I'm currently waiting for Bruce to get here because his car is currently on a tow truck right there. I haven't seen it in months. What's going on, lad? How are ya? Fucking hell. Tow truck has arrived. Look how good this truck looks, man. Fucking hell. Alright, let's get this thing on there. We're having a problem with the key because I've got the second key up. It's got the other key, but we'll figure it out. We'll get it on there. Albert's got the key. I've got the spare, so the immobiliser's been going off. Alrighty, car's finally on the tow truck. We've got Bruce's here as well. We're just waiting for him to rock up. Motherfucker's always late. Nah, he's good. But he's on the way here. Once he rocks up, we'll get both cars on the road and head to session. You're only, bro. How late? 40 minutes late?
What do you mean?
Never late. 50 minutes late?
Never late. What's happening?
How are we?
Oh, bro, I'm fucking stressed the fuck out. Or is this Asian? Good Asian.
Hello. How are you?
Good, Carlos.
Fucking out.
No, it's okay.
Hey, go, bro. Nice to meet you, bro.
Oh,
Nice
bro.
to meet you, guys.
Let's go. We gotta hurry up.
I just hit it.
Let's go. Dawn, lad.
Oh, bro, it's been stressful, man. Bro, what a stressful one. You know what? Stressful last 4 days.
Yeah, you've been putting in the hard yards.
Today I was on track today. Actually, we've doing a lot of things.
Everything ready?
Like, it was just picking up last minute stuff that just dragged on, and especially during rush hour.
Yeah.
Like the early time, the rush hour, like the last hour, was the worst part.
But we're ready?
We're ready, bro. Get there, drop everything, just trussing up, and then it's on.
Plug
then
the cars up.
we deal with everything else afterwards. Because we can set up the store today and whatnot as well.
True.
Yeah.
Let's get some rolling shots of these two fuckers on the tow trucks. Hopefully it looks good. How's it feel?
What I've been used to the whole time for the last 3 years.
It's just chaos.
I know, bro. Holy.
Oh, you gotta give this thing a clean, bro. Waterless wash the bitch.
I know.
Alright, we've arrived. My car's off the tow truck. Bruce's is getting off now. It is fucking chaos around here. I think everyone's trying to bump in at the same time. I think they're running a bit behind schedule because our bump in time was 3 o'clock and there's people that are still bumping in from the morning, so standard though, car things. Hey, look who it is. Hello, sir.
Hi.
There you go.
All good. How you doing?
Good.
Yes, sir. What's happening?
Hey.
What?
Hey, bro.
How you going, son?
Good. I made it with a lift. It's in one piece.
Yeah, fucking hell. Fucking looks good. You didn't break it on the way here? The boys are here. How you going, lad? How are you?
Good. Thank you. You threatened us. He goes, if we get one complaint.
You're leaking cooling, lad.
Oh, bro. I think I'm missing more than just cool.
This thing is fucking insane, bro. Bro, ain't no way. No way. Did you drive it like this?
In what, bro?
Catch me, bro.
How are you, son? I miss you.
Amazing.
Where's your car?
At home.
Not good enough to be here?
Nah, it's broken. Nah, it's not.
2 hours later.
I haven't really filmed anything.
Look, you guys don't know the shit we go through to make our stuff look like
What did you do, mate? What did you do?
break my back.
Oh, trussing's almost up. We've been busy trying to get the cars in, get this trussing sorted, but it's pretty much done. Once we build this up, we'll set up our shop, get the cars parked how we want it, and that's it. Yeah!
Needs to come.
Hard day on the tools.
Yeah.
We're done.
I'm fucking nicked, bro. I can't do 3 AM nights anymore,
Nah,
man.
fuck this, bro.
Partying, yeah, but not this shit, bro.
We're done, bro. Hey. Oh, HNS. You dickhead. Oi, do a muscle up. Do a muscle up, you bitch.
I do single arm bro. Oh shit.
Very good, very nice.
Very good.
That's a big boy, bro. Holy fuck. That's a big car, bro.
You fucking know, you beep.
Bro, look at it. You fucking know it, lad.
You know it, you fucking know it.
Holy shit. Bro, any wider you would have fit in here. That's fucked.
Go back straight. Turn. Straight.
Yeah. Perfect.
That's a fucking fast car.
That's a thick car.
750 horsepower.
Holy shit. What a weapon. Brother. Holy shit, this looks good. It almost looks silver in the downlighting, but my god, that color is sexy. Hell yeah, I'm happy with that.
that's it. I have no clue what the hell we filmed.
I don't even know.
I don't know what you filmed, I don't know what I filmed.
It's been a busy day.
That's our setup done. I don't know if you've seen the setup yet. If not, I'm keen for you guys to see it. But we're gonna go have dinner. We're tired, I'm hungry. Every animal's looking like food to me now. Josh looks like a snack to me.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get something to eat and then see you in the next video.